Today I'm making a sweet potato cheesecake in the oven. It turns out such a juicy, appetizing dessert for tea. Take 400 grams of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are very dense vegetables and take more time to bake. So to speed up the process, cut them into 3 or 4 pieces. Place the slices on a rack and put them in the microwave for 15 minutes. Let them cool for a couple of minutes and remove the skin. Now cut them into smaller pieces to make it easier to blend. Pour in 350 milliliters of heavy cream and blend until smooth. Place 250 grams of mascarpone cheese in the microwave for 20 seconds to soften. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar without a heap, because sweet potatoes are sweet. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. For this recipe, take 2 eggs. I have an egg with 2 yolks, so I'll take 1. Mix thoroughly until smooth. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Now transfer the sweet potato to a deep bowl with the cheese and eggs. And again, mix all the ingredients together. Line the bottom and sides with parchment paper. Use a baking pan with a diameter of 17 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. Stir the dough with a stick to remove air bubbles. And tapping the pan will help distribute the butter evenly. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 minutes until golden brown. Check with a toothpick if it's baked through. Remove the ring, transfer it, and cover with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture for 5 minutes. The sweet potato cheesecake is ready. Time to taste it. The dessert is very tender to the touch, with a creamy aroma, light and airy. The fork just sinks in because it's so soft. Make this pie, and you'll definitely like it. Subscribe to the channel, give it a like. See you in the next delicious videos. Bye bye!